Okay, so you want to know about Kraken's daily limits. But before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why this information is important. Kraken is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It offers a wide range of services, including buying and selling cryptocurrencies, trading on margin, and staking. But with great power comes great responsibility, and that includes understanding the limits that are in place to protect both you and the exchange. So, what are Kraken's daily limits? Well, it depends on your verification level. There are 4 levels: Starter, Intermediate, Pro, and VIP. Each level has different limits for deposits, withdrawals, and trading. For example, starter level accounts have a daily deposit limit of $1,000 and a daily withdrawal limit of $5,000. Intermediate level accounts have a daily deposit limit of $10,000 and a daily withdrawal limit of $50,000. Pro level accounts have a daily deposit limit of $100,000 and a daily withdrawal limit of $1 million. And VIP level accounts have no daily limits at all. It's important to note that these are just the daily limits. There are also monthly limits, which are typically higher. You can find a complete list of Kraken's limits on their website. So, how do you know which verification level you are? When you create a new account, you will be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Based on this information, Kraken will assign you a verification level. You can upgrade your verification level by providing additional information, such as a copy of your driver's license or passport. This can be done by contacting Kraken support. Now that you know about Kraken's daily limits, you can make sure that you are trading within the limits of your account. This is important to avoid any problems with your account. In addition to the daily and monthly limits, Kraken also has other limits in place, such as limits on the number of trades you can make in a day. These limits are designed to prevent market manipulation and other forms of abuse. It's important to be aware of all of Kraken's limits before you start trading. This will help you to avoid any problems and ensure that you have a positive experience with the exchange. So, there you have it. Kraken's daily limits. Now you know what to expect before you start trading. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.